Coke versus Pepsi, Edison versus Tesla, sperm whales versus giant squids. The world is full of famous rivalries that divide conversations and communities. One of the long-standing rivalries in business IT is Microsoft Dynamics CRM versus Salesforce, two leading customer relationship management vendors whose solutions are strikingly hard to differentiate. There are certainly other mega vendors that account for large portions of the CRM market, but because these two are so comparable in price, target business type, and user experience, they constantly end up pitted against each other. There are four categories we'll look at today: system and pricing, platform, integrations, and features. The core feature sets of both systems are extremely similar. Both products can easily handle basic contact and account management, social customer service, territory management, and sales forecasting. Both systems also offer their own app marketplace, where you can choose from thousands of additional business tools that extend your CRM's usability or better align it with your industry. Since they're primarily licensed in software as a service versions, Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics can scale in both directions, depending on your functionality needs and business size, although they're more commonly used by large or rapidly growing companies. Systems and pricing. The nucleus of Salesforce CRM system is Sales Cloud, a web-based application that helps companies leverage multi-channel relationships for business growth. Salesforce also offers Service Cloud for customer service and case management, and marketing automation through their Marketing Cloud applications. Businesses also have the option of choosing any of the individual modules or bundling them together and paying a lump sum per month. Marketing Cloud, or Pardot, is cost-intensive as an add-on, but Salesforce does offer a Sales and Service Cloud bundle at a more comparable industry price. The packaging for Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a bit different. Their core CRM package, Dynamics CRM Online Professional, assumes integration of sales and service, which is a roundabout way of saying you're going to pay less. That said, if you need more comprehensive service features, such as social customer service, web chat, or a ticketing system, you have to pay more for their Parature add-on. Similarly, Dynamics Marketing Automation is an add-on module, although there is the more expensive option to bundle all three for an end-to-end suite. Salesforce was built from the ground up to operate as a cloud application. That's great if you like to store your data on a remote server and use browser-based software, but not so great if you'd rather own the license outright and host the software on your own servers. Microsoft Dynamics is a little more flexible when it comes to implementation. They offer CRM in a fully cloud-based system, privately hosted, or even on-premise depending on your needs. Integrations. Usually the general consensus is that Salesforce has the upper hand when it comes to building your CRM out or optimizing it for its specific industry needs. There are over 2,600 applications available in the Salesforce App Exchange. The Microsoft Dynamics App Store has a steadily growing community, but still pales in comparison. Salesforce also has its own partner program, which helps connect businesses with developers to build custom solutions on the Salesforce One platform. On the other hand, if you're already invested in a lot of Microsoft technology, such as Office 365, Outlook, SharePoint, or SQL Server, you might consider Dynamics in the interest of interoperability. While Salesforce did add a handful of Microsoft plugins to their palette a few years ago, Dynamics provides more thorough integrations and better native functionality. Features. The 2015 update of Microsoft Dynamics CRM raised the bar in several areas. The release brought enhancements to the social listening module, including sentiment analysis and inclusion of news sources. Dynamics also bridged their sales and marketing functionality by giving separate items visibility and editing permissions through a sales collaboration panel. However, there are still a few things that Salesforce can do that Dynamics can't, such as sales performance management, partner management, and data governance tools. Depending on your company's size, data needs, and global reach, these may or may not be the deal breakers. Neither of these two CRMs is necessarily better than the other. Both offer industry-leading features and a scalable platform, as well as the ability to custom build a unique solution with optional modules and add-ons from their online stores. Your decision should be based on what business system you already have in place, what features your teams can use to excel, and how much you're willing to spend. If you'd like to learn more about Dynamics, Salesforce, or any other CRM system, we're here to help. Check out the product selection tool on our website to find a list of best vendors for your business. Thanks for watching.